Teens in York County face the same challenges as teens everywhere. A lot of our libraries are within walking distance of neighborhoods and schools, and they can come here and feel safe and explore their interests, whatever they are.
Well, I've always liked the libraries. I like borrowing books, I like reading books. I'm more with audiobooks though, like on the Libby app. It's like the library, but it's digital. I like listening to audiobooks on there.
We have lots of resources for them, from computers to button makers and 3D printers and sewing machines. We offer a lot of programs in each library. They have their own individual programs. County-wide, we offer many programs on different topics. So really, there's something for every teen here at York County Libraries.
I want to be a reporter, and I'm in this organization called YHSA, and we're restarting the newspaper club, and I wanted to learn about making newspapers and articles. I didn't even know what I was supposed to be doing yet. Then we started looking at the library websites. Oh, photojournalism thing.
So we provide lots of opportunities for them to get educated about all kinds of things so that they feel a little more comfortable in what choices they make moving forward. We want to make sure that they're knowledgeable, that they're excited, that they are inspired, and so we're not just preparing them for the present, we're also trying to give them things that they can use along the way as they get older.
I wasn't sure at all what you're supposed to do when you're writing an article, but the photojournalism thing definitely taught me what I was supposed to do basically. So writing the article, it was fun. It's great that I can learn from someone who knows what they're doing. It really helped me. And I'm like, yeah, I wrote that.
It's from that place of knowing themselves that they know that they can help others and do something that's important. So if we can provide those opportunities for them to feel more powerful, more confident, and more self-assured, then they'll be ready for anything that comes along.